If you want to create Bluesky Social account professionally, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we create a Bluesky account on mobile. Just make sure to watch till the end. Bluesky is a decentralized social media platform created by Twitter's co-founder, Jack Dorsey. It uses an open-source protocol called the Authenticated Transfer Protocol, allowing users to own their data and easily move between different servers. The platform aims to provide more user control, reduce algorithmic manipulation, and create a more open social media ecosystem. To create account, first install application from Google Play Store. Once installed, open that app. As we are creating a new account, so we will tap here. Here, enter your email address on which you want to create your account. Enter your password. Select your date of birth and press on Next. Here, choose your account user handle and press here on Next. Verify CAPTCHA here and press Next. Upload your profile or select any emoji, like I am doing, and press Continue. Select your interest and press Continue, and our Bluesky account has been created. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.